Hello students, we are going to learn today a garden of words. Let's start. Here is given so many words. We read all one by one. About, all, be, beware, big, call, quat, cave, chicken, cock, creatures, cunning, don't, duck, falling, fail, fellow, foolish, fox, friends, goose, head, herd, help, hen, here, his, inside, mate, my, peace, place, right, running, safe, saying, shout, sky, started, there, them, they, told, went, when, why, with, without, word, worry. You practice to read all these words at home. You make word cards of all these words 8 by 4 centimeters like this. D-U-C-K, duck. The next one is place and next one is shout. अशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही 4 बाय 6 सेंटीमीटरचे कोऱ्या कागदावर किंवा पुठ्ठ्यावर अशा प्रकारचे शब्द लिहून काढायचे आणि त्यांचा वाचनाचा सराव करायचा आहे. Now we see the activities given below. The first activity is given. Find the following words in the table. Think of other words you know that rhyme with the following words. Write down the rhyming words. 3 words are given there. First one is all, second mate, and third one is cock. Find 3 words in this chart. Let's find all. Where is all? Here is all. Then next mate. Where is mate? Here is mate. Then cock. Where is cock? Here is cock. After that, finding these words, write down the rhyming words of them. हे शब्द शोधून झाल्यानंतर त्यांचे rhyming words आपल्याला शोधायचे आहेत. Let's start. First word is all and the rhyming words are call, tall, ball, fall. Second word is mate. His rhyming words are late, net, get, wait. And third one is cock. The rhyming words are lock, frock, rock. Write all these rhyming words in your notebook. The second activity is given. Find and copy the names of birds and animals. Birds means pakshi and animals means prani. Let's start. The names of birds. First is chicken. Then second cock. Third one is hen. Then goose. Then duck. All these names of birds. An animal. The name of animal is fox. Only one name of animal is given here. You write all these names of birds and animals in your notebook. And next activity is given. Complete the following sentences using the words given above. Try to make as many meaningful sentences as you can. The formula is given there. They met a dash dash. And second is, why are you dash dash? Let's start. First we choose a word cock and the sentence become they met a cock. या ठिकाणी कल्पनात्मक असे इमॅजिनरी वाक्य येऊ शकतात जसे की they met a cock. They met a cock means ते कोंबड्याला भेटले. Then next we choose the word fox. Again they met a fox. Like this you try to make as many meaningful sentences as you can. The second formula is why are you dash dash question mark. If we choose the word running, the sentence become why are you running? This is a question. After that a question mark is here. Next word, we choose worry. If we choose worry, the sentence become, why are you worry? Again, the question mark is here. Why are you worry? Means तू कशाला काळजी करतो? Like this, you try to make as many meaningful sentences as you can. अशा पद्धतीचे तुम्ही जास्तीत जास्त वाक्य तयार करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा आणि ते आपल्या वहीत लिहा. The next activity is given there. Choose any one of the word given in the table. Show its meaning with an action and ask your friend to guess the word. You tried this activity at home. Example, you choose any word from this table and do action to show the meaning to others and they guess. Example, see video. See, this is the an action. Guess the action. Yeah, it's running. So write down running. Other one example, see the video. Guess. Guess the action. Yes. Don't. ज्या पद्धतीची ॲक्शन आहे ती डोंट हा शब्द दर्शवते म्हणून. सो द ॲक्शन इज डोंट. सो राईट डाऊन डोंट. लाईक धिस यू चूज ऑल these words one by one and do action and ask your friend to guess the word. Then next activity, find the words that have O, CK, NG, D, AC, EA, OU. First we see the words have O. Let's start. O, about. Here is O. Then next, don't. Here is O. Then next, told. Here is O. The next is word. Here is O. Like this you try to find the words have O. We see the next, the words have CK. Here is CK. So, cock. Another is duck. Duck have CK. Like this you find the words have NG, words have D, words have AC, words have EA, words have OU and write down all these words in your notebook. The next activity is given there. Select one word at a time. Look at the word carefully. Close your eyes and think of the word. Then write it down. Look at it again. Look it up in the textbook. Learn 5 words at a time in this way. Let's see. If we select the word duck, then what you do? See video. Choose word, then think, and then write down in your notebook and look it again. Like this you learn 5 words at a time in this way. म्हणजे तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, एक शब्द शोधायचा, त्याचा विषय विचार करायचा, तो शब्द पुन्हा पुन्हा बघायचा आणि नंतर पुस्तक बंद करून तो शब्द वहीवर लिहायचा. अशा पद्धतीने जर तुम्ही एका वेळी 2, 3, 5 असे शब्द घेऊन पुन्हा पुन्हा प्रॅक्टिस केली तर तुमचे हे सर्व शब्द स्मरणात राहतील. अशा पद्धतीने मुलांनो अभ्यास करायचा आहे. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.